Hi everyone! Welcome to this super fun video. Today we're going to learn all about wedding vocabulary. Proposal. Save the date. Wedding gifts. Bride. Groom. Couple. Vows. Ring. Ceremony. Flowers. Bridesmaids. Groomsmen. Wedding dress. Wedding suit. Veil. Wedding cake. Wedding invitation. Venue. Wedding dance. Toast. Honeymoon. Flower girl. Ring bearer. Altar. Music. Guest book. Wedding photos. Love. Champagne. Wedding bells. Guests. Jewelry. Turtle doves. Car. That was so much fun! Now you know all about wedding vocabulary and the special words for a wedding day. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you next time!